I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that the factory radio can accept Apple CarPlay, wired or via a specific adapter. Once confirmed, gather trim tools, the correct wiring harness adapter, and a high-quality USB to Lightning cable so you avoid intermittent connections. Now disconnect the vehicle battery to prevent shorts, remove surrounding trim carefully to access the head unit, and unbolt mounting screws. Do this first because removing the unit exposes the stereo harness and makes the wiring steps predictable and safe. With the head unit accessible, match the factory harness pins to the adapter. Constant 12V, accessory 12V, ground, and any can or reverse/illumination lines the CarPlay module needs. Once wired, mount the USB hub or CarPlay module behind the dash and route the USB cable to a convenient access point such as the glove box or center console. Secure all grounds and verify accessory power with a multimeter. After confirming wiring integrity, reconnect the harness, power the car accessory circuit, and proceed to software pairing steps. Reconnect the battery, power the ignition to accessory, and enable Apple CarPlay from the head unit menu or iPhone settings. This verifies the module is recognized. Then test audio playback, the microphone for calls, steering wheel controls, and USB charging. Make small firmware or volume adjustments as needed. Once satisfied, reassemble trim and torque screws to spec. If something fails, focus troubleshooting on USB cable quality. A blown fuse, incorrect pin mapping, or outdated module firmware. Swap the cable first because it's...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.